CubeX NFT. Today's money bag alert. We'll take a look at their official website as well as their interaction with their community on their official Twitter page. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, let's go ahead and get started. We got welcome to CubeX. CubeX is a 3D animated collection of walking cubies, which will double as your personal avatar and playable character in CubeWorld. From our play to earn experience to our decentralized social media application, building is a common theme at CubeX. Enjoy the journey. So this is something to be paying attention to, a decentralized social media application. So that's huge right now, okay? Road one, we got our roadmap phase one, CubeWorld beta, the beginning of our open world play to earn experience. Our beta will give you a glimpse of what's in store when it comes to CubeWorld, okay? We have phase two, CubeX minting, 7,777 Cubies have been released and are en route to the metaverse. Each Cubie will double as your personal avatar and playable character in CubeWorld. Phase 3 has in store for us CubeWorld official launch. The release of our metaverse, CubeWorld, will include 3 mini-games, Bed Wars, Sky Wars, and Laser Tag. Users will be able to play with friends and compete for WRL tokens. So that's huge right there. We're hearing about basically a wagering system right there. NFT holders will earn higher yields on WRLD tokens through scheduled events, so staking and whatnot like that, games, and exclusive CubeX holder lobbies. So there's going to be some exclusive lobbies going on, I'm sure, on the rarity of the tokens or whatnot, but we'll see as this roadmap continues. We got phase 4, Hubble Beta. Our main objective is to create a decentralized social media platform catered to the NFT and crypto space where anyone can freely express their thoughts without censorship or the risk of getting shadowed. Hubble will also include a variety of features that the NFT and crypto space already use daily, all integrated into one platform. This is something that I would definitely, not financial advice, but if you're looking at this project and you really like what you see, this would be something that I would say that I would want to get in before this came out, because I can tell that in this crypto space, this is something that is needed and is missing, a social media platform that is tailored specifically for NFTs and crypto tokens. Moving on to phase 5, we got Cube Store. The Cube Store will contain cosmetics such as player skins, player upgrades, and other in-game accessories. The Cube Store will be accessible to all players in CubeWorld with exclusive items for holders, and will be a limited time shop with new items dropping each month. So that also means that those old items could become more rare, maybe. I'm just speculating right now, but that's pretty cool that those stores will be basically changing what's inside there as far as the accessories and whatnot and skins, because maybe that would bring more rarity to some of these skins and maybe you could resell them later on. Just speculating right now, because we got some more of this roadmap to go. We will have our own in-game currency called Cube Coin. So now we got the world we got the world token, right? WRLD, and now we have the Cube Coin that will allow you to purchase items within the Cube Store. So we have one token, one coin, and an NFT project all in one. This is pretty epic right here. Phase 6, added game models. The integration of new mini games as well as full-length game modes will be added into CubeWorld ecosystem, allowing for a larger variety of ways to earn WRLD and be rewarded Cube. So we have a lot of incentives right here for the community. We got phase 7, Hubble application launch. I think this is important. Hubble will be available on the Apple App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android. Holders will get access to in-app benefits, which will be available for public purchase. Initial applications features will include Wallet Connect to log in, Web3 user profile showcasing their NFT collections, which I'm sure people are going to be very excited about, homepage to upload messages and stories. That's that social media platform area. Connect with other Web3 users based on specific niches. Top trending projects and news updates. Again, that's that social media platform. I'm sure that's going to have all that integrated right there. In-app alpha group chats, NFT market analytics, gas tracker, hot upcoming drops, check NFT rarity. So this is going to be a pretty hot app to have right here, okay? We have phase 8, land sale and staking. This is very important for those that are bullish on this project. We will have CubeWorld land sale open to the public, where each CubeX holder will be airdropped a plot of land based on the rarity of their NFT. The more rare your CubeX is, the closer your plot will be to the community square. Each plot of land can be staked to earn our in-game currency, Cube Coin, which can be used in our Cube Store. You will be able to build your land and customize it to your wildest imagination. And we can see that they're going to let us build this to our wildest imagination by this little teaser right here that I thought was smart. You know, basically the guy will start off like this, but if you wanted to, you can pick your own skins and whatnot like that. So we have different skins that we can click on right now. We have the boxer. We have, this one was pretty cool. This is the guy without no skin. So that's what it would look like. We got the zombie right here. We got the mummy walking with a hand, skeleton hand. We have the diver right here. So some pretty customizable NFTs, as you can see. So shout out to the team right here. This is the bottom. I'll have these official links down below where you guys can come check this out. Now moving on to their official Twitter. We got 183,000.9 followers. This is pretty big. I've also done a video on their partnership boat. Just for those who probably missed out or are new to the channel, we have officially joined forces with Babes Clan, and we'll be working together to ensure the success of CubeX and beyond. And that is something that's actually been happening, and we can see that right away. We're now working under the same parent company, Chain Tech Labs. This partnership will help revolutionize the NFT space as we know it. The future is bright. So this is huge right here. I've done a video on this. Shout out to the Babes Clan and the Apians as well, because they're tapped in. Let's make sure we can get these over 2,000 likes, over 2,000 retweets. And if you guys can, smash the like button and make sure the bell notification is lit up on this channel for you guys, and subscribe to it. You know, let's get the word out there. So right here we have the Apians. Like I said, they're connected with some big NFT projects. Let's make sure we like and retweet this. That's 11,000 likes. This is a huge community. If you guys can come over here and pull up, that'd be epic. We have TFG. I got to give him a big shout out because he knows how to get the word out there and about. So let's go ahead and give this a like. Let's go ahead and give this a retweet and get this over 1,000 retweets. Very easy to do with a community like this. Let's get this over 1,000 likes, over 1,000 retweets. Like I said, again, shout out to TFG getting the word out there and about. This is huge. So make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Leave some bullish comments down below and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.